Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week that will start on Monday 24th of June 2024 and the week will end on Friday 28th of June 2024. So tell me everyone, I hope you guys must have made good profits in the week. Pound dollar, euro dollar, crude oil and those other setups that I gave. I say very special thanks to all of you for your good wishes. What my strategy today is, it is because of your well wishes and your prayers. I have this goal in my mind so that I can educate more and more and more people. I should give this strategy to all of you. I want this strategy to be public because this is after all the algorithm of the forex trading that I have learned 8 years of trading. One more thing I want to tell you at the start of the session is that at each and every level that I give, remember my friends, we have to take every step very carefully, and every time I tell you this thing, when there is the right time to take a buy, you guys don't take that. When there is a right time to take a sell, you guys don't take. But when price is in the middle, you guys take trades. Why? I don't understand this thing, why you guys take the trades in the middle. As I say, those traders, those who are sellers make profits, those who are buyers make profits. So why someone will jump into the middle of the trend? So this is my personal request to all of you. If you want to work on this particular strategy along with me, then you should obey all of the forex principles. What are the forex principles? For example, a previous support level that is broken will become resistance. This is like rule. This is a principle. It is present from before, right? Let's start with a very happy mood because we have made good profits last week. Our analysis went very nicely, and those who took the decisions correctly, as I have told you in the weekly forex forecast videos last week, then I'm sure enough you must have made fantastic profits. Do let me know in the comment section down below. Let's hide the webcam and let's jump into the charts. Let's start with euro US dollar, and as you can see, last week what I said, and from 3 weeks what I am telling you again and again: sell euro dollar, sell euro dollar, sell euro dollar from 1.0980, and result is right here in front of you. 230 pips it moved, and the second last week it gave 2 trades to us. So a very fantastic one, and it was a very simple. Let me tell you, those of you who are new on my channel, let me tell you that this was a fantastic sell opportunity with us. See this number 61.8. This is my strategy right here. I gave you a buy setup and that worked for 91 pips, so congratulations about that. And soon after that it dropped 78 pips. Both of the moves I have given you in advance in the last weekly forex forecast video. So what's next? Definitely I will be looking at some of the levels. 1.08216 last week we have discussed it. Price respected it very nicely, so it is more expected that in the upcoming few weeks price must definitely be trying to approach this. As this candle closes and as the previous 3 candles, I'm saying it on the basis of that if any candle in between closes green, then this 1.05132 will not be valid then. Okay, so switching back to the daily time frame, and let's have a look at it, what we can find. First of all, just have a look at this fantastic candlestick pattern right here. Do you see 3 days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we completely made profits on lower time frames, on H4, H1, M15, higher time frames, lower time frames, everywhere we have got this fantastic 92 pips of move. And see, this gap was discussed, market exactly bounced back from the same level. But if I compare it with other pairs, it did not move that much. I was expecting at least a move up towards 1.08216, which I was expecting. Now this week the level must be a little bit adjusted, and okay, the level is at the same place. So obviously we get a buy chance of 98 pips and then a sell chance as well, but in this sell I was obviously not interested. And on the H4, if we see a very fantastic double bottom has been validated, that can tell us that okay, in the upcoming week the market must definitely be pointing towards 1.08216. and just in case if it breaks below, and if it follows this impulsive wave to 1.05132, then in that case we will suffer from a tiny loss, and the profit then will be 127 pips. But I don't encourage this sell trade. Even if the market drops, let your stop loss hit and just wait patiently for the market till 1.0513, and then we will be taking some other trade opportunity. Remember everyone, in forex no one has patience, and I am sometimes very much like puzzled and confused that if you guys have no patience, then why you have joined forex trading. And even I have seen a lot of humble people who were humble before, but when they join forex trading they become so much greedy and impatience. So my friends, my fellows, my audiences, I request you, this is a market. If one opportunity misses, no problem, we will get another one. You guys should understand these things if you want to make good profits in the market. This is the easiest market in the world. These charts and this strategy, people are making billions of profits with this particular strategy. And as I said, this is the algorithm of the forex trading. There is nothing beyond it, remember, as far as my knowledge is concerned. So only patience will help you. You can wait, you will get a good sell. You wait, you get a good buy. I have seen also some traders who are just buyers of a currency pair, just buyers. They will be buying. Oh my friend, you have to take advantage of the buy and the sell both at the same time. Like, see, the sellers made a very fantastic profit of 223 pips. The buyers made very nice profit of 280 pips, a very fantastic one. Now where were those? Now I'm getting messages, some people entered here, some people entered here, some people entered here as a seller. Now don't you guys watch my videos when price was right here? Clearly I gave you, just like it is right now, clearly I gave you this 294 pips of setup, right? So same is the case right here. If we lose just 47 pips, but we already has made this 300 pips from right here, then from there till here 183 pips, then this 117 pips, then this 173 pips. The strategy is working everywhere. If the trader is not following it, and see, it is very simple, just two lines up there and just a Fibonacci ratio from top to bottom, nothing else. So my friends, try to learn these things and pay very close attention to these levels. Now moving on to the pound US dollar, let's have a look at the pound dollar. And pound dollar, if you see, last week what I said, it is dropping. Same situation it did on the H4. What I said is you can get a little bit of good bulls right here, like 1 2, so 3 4 5. Last week when I was analyzing the market, price was right here, and soon after the market opens it was bullish. And I have shown you this thing on H4. Let me highlight this thing right here like this, so that I can locate it very easily on the H4. Let's have a look at it. What I said you can buy one buy position 48 pips, and the second at this 61.8% retracement 61 pips. So again a fantastic one. And just have a look at it. What I said last week is that there is a strong breakout point with us. So on a strong breakout we have got a fantastic 121 pips of profit. So a very fantastic move it was. Now what's next? Let's switch to the daily. As I was saying, it's dropping. I was saying for those traders who are selling from 1.27835 and from 1.278 to approximately 835, this level, when we were selling, where were all of those traders? What were they doing when they were not selling? 161 pips till now so far it's giving us. And now just have a look at this as well. 288 pips is also expected, but for that obviously there is something and we cannot ignore it. There is a fantastic Fibonacci number in the upcoming week, and let's delete these previous levels as we don't need it for now. So there is just this 1.26017 number as well, very clear. So it can make some turbulence, 82 pips again to the top side. Then I don't think so it will be closing above 136 pips at a price 1.27373, but the drop obviously is a fantastic 139 pips with 1.2601 with a buying opportunity right here as well. So fantastic one right here, and anyone who is on this sell, I think book some partial profits. And see, from here we bought, from here we bought, all right here on this channel in the weekly forex forecast videos. All of these legs I identify in advance, just like for instance this one day it will be also completed, and this impulsive leg will be completed unless we don't get a price close above this. Price should close above this, then this will be not valid. So a very good and nice opportunity, and those traders who want to re-enter as a seller, well, 1.27397 is a good zone, a fantastic one it is. And definitely everywhere I see profits and profits and profits. When your direction is to the right side of the market, every trade you take will be profitable. Every trade immediately you will be in profitable. Like in 1 or 2 hours you will be able to move your stop to break even. But try to learn the technique, my friends. What I'm doing right here is to save you from losses, my friends. 95% are losing, so I want to save you from losses. And my main motto is buy low, sell high. This is my main motto, or the slogan of the channel: buy low, sell high. So if you are someone who sell high, must definitely be in a loss of around 200 pips. Very bad. So this is pound US dollar. Now let's move on to the crude oil. Where were all of those traders when I was saying buy from 73.420? Just think about it. Now for each and every forecast, I cannot go and cut clips from the past videos and paste it right here so that you can see. I recommend everyone to check back my previous videos, because these past data definitely will be helping us. Without the past data we are nothing. For instance, without this level 61.8% retracement, what I said market is going to take a support at 72.36. it did. We took a buy. Those who wanted to take a buy, they did and made profits. Then I also said something else. Just remind yourself Fibonacci. What we did is we right here identified this 61.8% retracement, a fantastic one for our take profit. And as when I said, there are traders who say no, we will be making from right here, we are taking a buy and we are holding it till here. So I want to tell you where this market is going. It's okay, wait for the market to come back down and take a fresh Fibonacci. 61.8% retracement, 75.96, you can re-enter again as a bull. If you traded this one and if you said okay, I made this around 911 pips and I just want to put 180 out of that profit as a risk, then yes, this is a fantastic and lucrative sell for 443 pips. So fantastically it closed. Now time has this to decide that 286 pips is confirmed from my side. Let's see. Then to the top side, barely the odd can be a very tiny stop loss, maybe some people put right here, but this is forex. Of stop loss hit, it's okay, next trade you recover it. But if you guys take things so much seriously, then my friends, that so much seriousness can cause you harm. Mark my words. Gold US dollar, I already have recorded one video that you will be able to see on Sunday. It is for the weekly forecast as well, and it is for the day traders as well. So there is one opportunity that I discussed on the H4. There is one that I discussed for the daily time frame as well in that video. So let's see it there. But if I just discuss this daily, no doubt it dropped, and it will be dropping further towards 2154. But before that, there are some correction that the market will be trying to achieve, so make sure to check out that video. Dollar CAD, my friends, what it did. Oh my friends, what it did. Just have a look at it. As we entered right here at this double top, what I said, if we get a double top, we close right here. 99 pips we made, we closed, we entered a sell. 104 pips at give, we are at the previous level with a retest, and we can say one bottom, second bottom, third, triple test we can say. So those then who ask me that why the ABCD pattern doesn't complete, because double top forms or double bottom forms in between, so that's why then it doesn't work, and so that's why it doesn't complete exactly. So if a double top is formed right here, definitely it has to throw the price down back, and this is the H4. So let's have a look at the daily. The daily is still like seems bullish, but I think this 1.34240 traders are most likely trying to push the market back down. Let's delete everything for now, and let me zoom in the chart a little bit right here. So let's also mark this area, and it can become a very fantastic zone for us on a daily time frame. Now this is going like this. This is the H4, and the previous impulsive leg, the breakout point, this is the previous breakout point. Check back in the past, validated, check back in the past, validated, and validated right here. And as far as you go, this level will be validated several times. So good levels we have identified. Let's mark the highest point, let's mark the lowest point as well. Switch to the H4 and find out what can happen in the upcoming few days. Well, on the H4, if we see there, this is clearly ranging, but in this range still the Fibonacci traders are making lots and lots of profit. See, we have got a very nice bottom right here, and after the bottom a rally, and right after the rally what we have got is we have got a fantastic 61.8 that I already discussed. Now price is in the middle. Let's see, I want to wait one further week, so I don't want to give any opinion about it. But obviously if we see the lower time frames, the higher time frames, it is trading in a range, and 1.3597 seems to be achieved very soon. So dollar CAD should be looked to the bottom side of the market upon retracement. 97 pips. Those who are holding still the sell position, well, 100 pips more than enough. We already made profits right here, we made profits right here as well. So I think this is enough for the period, right, or for the week. USD CHF, my friends, what I said last week, just have a look at it. We have got a clear break from 61.8% retracement that at the moment is showing further up, and you guys must have made profits on this one as well. But believe me, if you are stuck from up there, there is a good chance this analysis can work for you as well, a good chance. But remember, 0.87763, 0.8676, these levels in your mind as well, because the master setup will be activated from here to the buy side of the market. But dollar index is also facing some trouble, so let's see how that overall goes. Moving on to the dollar yen, and as you can see, the buys we are holding approximately hit the 159.825 level. Now what guys do you need? Just let me know. How simple setup I give, mostly setup I give, everyone is in profit. But still, if someone is not making profits from my analysis or not learning, I cannot do anything. Now same is the case right here, same is the case right here that I just have explained. This is an A to B that is going to be completed towards the top, and this is the situation right here. But if the double top is confirmed there, then no ABCD. Very simple, no ABCD. If there is a double top formed up there, then no C to D, no C to D at all. Why? A double top is formed along with the RSI if you see the divergence. So these are the ways we need to look at this market, and then we need to identify profitable setups for ourselves, right everyone? This forex is not like you will always be jumping and selling and buying and buying and selling. No my friends, not at all. Please don't repeat that mistake, never ever again. Never. Don't try to chase the market. Don't try to chase the market. Whenever you try to chase the market will be chasing your equity. Whenever you chase the market, you will be taking bad decisions. So my friends, promise me you will not be taking bad decisions, and patiently you will be waiting for the market, and you will only be taking good trading opportunities that has very tiny stop loss and bigger take profit. So the motto is smaller stop loss, bigger take profit, buy low, sell high. With this note, I'm leaving you. Today I'm winding up this session. I hope in some way it will be helpful for all of you, and this is it. If you are interested to contact me, this is my WhatsApp number. I will show this to you. You can contact me if you get the premium services. It is one-on-one. I give personal time to the client, right? I don't run classes or those things. No, I hate it, right? I hate it. I don't like those intradays as well for the currency pairs. On the gold still I do a little bit, but those who want to understand and learn the techniques, definitely contact me. I have a good strategy that I can teach you on Zoom one-on-one meetings, right? Take a lot of care of yourself. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.